welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and today I want to show you a unboxing of a perfume that I bought recently, and I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing of the perfume. It is right here. It came wrapped with this black and bubble wrap paper, gift paper tissue, and this bubble wrap as well right here. It came in this box right here. I love YSL, my favorite brand. I love YSL. Dior's my second one, but I love YSL. This is the box it came in. Very sturdy. I'm living this. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this box. It's just a box, I know, but I love it's just the little things that makes me happy. Just the little things. This is the box. That's and inside there's some goodies as well. I have the YSL Black Opium new blend. That's the perfume, a little sample. I bought this at the YSL website, and this is the Mon Paris Eau Toilette perfume as well, right here. I think this is the new one because it's purple. It's the purple design, and that one smells so good. Oh my god. Let's not talk about that. Let's not talk about that. I'll go crazy. It's such a YSL junkie. Oh, it comes with this plastic stuff covered that protects the box. This is the outer box. This is beautiful. I am impressed. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look. The YSL logo is like 3D, glittery, like glitter glue and all that stuff. I am happy. And it says Black Opium West. But this is the perfume. It comes in this set. I've been thinking about this perfume for a while since it came out, but I was really undecided. I'm always undecided on stuff until I give it a try, and I'm like, oh, yeah, why not? I had a great deal as well because it's a whole set. So this perfume itself is like almost $200. This is the the 3 fluid ounce. The small one is like $80 or $90, so it was a deal. That's why I got it. Plus it comes with the travel size perfume and a lotion, which I am very happy about that. This is the lotion. It's a travel size on the go lotion, and this travel size perfume. Anyway, it's right there. I can't take it out. The travel size right there, and yep, this is the perfume. I love this. It's like a glittery. I feel like I have a dress like this. It's beautiful. Really nice. I don't know if you could see the wording right there, and the black lid, and it says Y Saint Laurent right there as well. Oh my god, this smells so good. This type of smell is sweet and spicy, I believe. And this kind of smell is one of my favorite type of smell. I really like this smell. This smell, this is the Black Opium Eau de Perfume. This is a feminine fragrance from Yves Saint Laurent. It's fascinating, seductive. Its opening notes, it has a rich adrenaline of coffee, sweet sensuality of vanilla with a soft of white flower for a modern, young, and vibrant interpretation of addiction. So the fragrance notes are coffee, white flower, and vanilla. So like I said, it's more of a sweet, spicy smell, which is one of my favorite smells that I really like. And yeah, this perfume set, this is why I'm telling you, this is why I got it in a great deal. Because right here I'm looking at let's say any website, let's say Macy's or Ulta, one fluid ounce is $72. And the one that I have, 3 fluid ounce, is $124, which I bought this on the website. And on the website I basically paid $109 because I have some points as well. That's a great thing about YSL website. You can gain points as well and you can redeem them on your purchase. So it was $124. So that was a great deal. Lotion, the hand lotion, and the travel size perfume, which is a great deal. That's why one of the reasons why I got it. And plus because I love the perfume, obviously. That's why I got it too. That's why I bought it. And I really like this scent. It's very nice and sweet. It could be a little bit strong, but you just need a little bit and it goes a long way. And the coffee and the white flower, so it's like a nice mixture. Seductive, like I said, scent. And it's very feminine, which I really like. And it is and modern, which is also a nice key for the perfumes as well. Yes guys, that is everything. I'm gonna dress my room up with this box right here and make it nice and fancy, because I really like this box. This box doesn't come with it. This is just an additional purchase that I made because I really wanted a YSL box just to have and to decorate. So guys, this is it for this video. It's short and simple, I know, which I know some of you guys love short and simple video. I just wanted to show you my favorite fragrance at the moment, which I really like. I have tried this many times, this perfume. Every time I go to a local store that sells this perfume, I go and myself because I know I love it. And I wanted to give it a try before I purchase it as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this YSL unboxing of the Black Opium perfume. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I have this perfume as well. Let me know in the comments below if you like this type of scent, and what other scent do you like, or would you like me to show you and review about. That is everything guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up like I said, and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to see more future and fun videos. I honestly appreciate that I know that you're enjoying this video and all the videos that I upload. just be aware that I'm uploading mostly Mondays and Fridays. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.